In this video from Sharp Help, we're looking at the bar tab functionality on the XE-A217 cash register. The XE-A217 has a GLU or guest lookup function which enables you to store a moderate amount of bar tabs. To open or set up a new tab, you enter the tab number and then press the GLU button. So for tab number 1 GLU. You now enter the initial items that you want to lay away on this tab. Once you've finished entering the initial items, you can lay the tab away by pressing M bell. If you've got the receipt switched on, this will print a current bill of that check. The till will now be ready to use for other items not related to that transaction. For more information on using the bar tab function on the XE-A217, please click on the video showing now. Thanks for watching.